Hello all, I haven't been on in a while, but this is what I've been working on now. I got all that cut out, and I got some more trees cut up there. I got more I gotta cut out of there. A lot of them are still down and whatnot, but this is what I've been working on the past few days. I got all that cleaned up over there, cut up, so that's how it is now. And this is what I'll be working on. Got lots to do yet. Y'all have a blessed day. God bless you all.